Alright guys, so as you can see, I already took off my seat. I'm sure you guys know how to take off your seat, I'm not going to show you. But with your key, you take off the rear seat, then the front seat slips up. Now I'm going to install a Fender Eliminator kit I bought off eBay. Not really a kit, I just pieced together an integrated turn signal and a license plate bracket with a license plate LED light. So basically you got this rubber boot here and your wires going through it. There's a couple little clips or brackets that the wires are just tucked in under, so you want to free those up, and then when you free them up, it gives you a little bit more ease to pull that boot back and access the actual clips to unhook all the wiring. So as you can see, I pulled the wires out of those brackets I showed you, which allowed me to slide the boot back. Now I can access the 3 clips. So those clips are, one is for your LED brake light or your brake light, one is for your left turn signal, one is for your right turn signal. Those are the ones inside the boot. And then the other one that's below, I don't know if you can see it, I'll show you later on, but the other one's for your brake light. So one of them, there's a plastic clip, you just push it in and then pull and it comes off. The other ones I took a little flat screwdriver and just lifted the tab inside and pulled back, and it released all the clips. So that's those 3 clips that were in my hand. Now there's 3 bolts holding up the fender. So you want to remove those 3 bolts, I believe they were 10mm, and just hold on to the fender so it doesn't drop down. So I'm pointing right now to the little tab that the fender slips into. So once you remove the 3 screws, just pull off backwards and it should slide out, and just pull your wires through. Now I put the new license plate on, it slid through the same tabs, and I was able to use the hardware that came with it to fasten it on. And I also installed the new integrated brake light and turn signals. So that came with the same already connection which I connected for the brake lights, but it comes with these 2 yellow wires coming out, and those are the positive leads for the right and the left brake signal, or turn signal, sorry. So what I did was I took my old turn signal, I cut the clip off, spliced the wire, and connected the positive lead to the yellow positive that I have coming off my brake light. No need to connect the negative because that's already going through your brake light and the negative is already connected through there. So you're going to want to do that for both lights. Just go cut your old turn signal, splice the wires, and reconnect. I also did the same thing for my license plate light. I just cut my old clip off my old license plate light, and then I attached it, and everything's good and working. Now you can see the bike. That LED light on the back is pretty bright. As you can see, it's even lighting up the back tire in the ground. Pretty good amount of light that comes off it. Those tabs are if you want to hook up turn signals. I won't be hooking up turn signals, so most likely I'll take my grinder to those tabs and just cut them off so I don't have that sticking out and it looks even more clean and flush. And yeah, there's the bike with the brake light on and the license plate light on. And now I'll turn on the turn signal for you, and you can see it with the turn signal flashing. LED looks really clean. Let me know your comments, guys. This was a quick project. Didn't really know what I was doing. There was no instructions that came with any of this, so I just kind of took the bike into my shed this morning and went at it. Took me not that long, maybe an hour or 2 at most. Had some fun with it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions.